there! Welcome back to Amanda's Natural Living. Today I'm going to show you how I dehydrate fruit. I'm going to start with some apples. I start by coring my apples, and I have an apple corer. I place the apple topside down. I love how I have the last one. It is time to slice the apples. I have a mandolin slicer, so I will be using this. And I have this oven mitt, and I love it because it's made of silicone, so it does not get punctured by this sharp blade. And I'm able to cut these and grip them. I totally recommend. I would use an oven mitt as well, if that's all you have. So you can see the slices, they're quite thick. I'm gonna take out my tape measure, and I'd go with a 1/4 inch, if not 3/16. And the mils, I would go with 6 mils. And I like the mandolin slicer because it slices them all the same. And continue slicing. All done. Time to get this mountain of sliced apples onto the dehydrator trays. I have 9 dehydrator trays and 12 red delicious apples. So I think I'm gonna have to squish them on here, leaving a little tiny bit of space between each one. All 12 apples, and I still have 3 trays left. Perfect. So I have some gala apples, which I'm going to prep next. All right, done prepping 8 small gala apples. Before I put them in the dehydrator, I like to sprinkle them with cinnamon. Try to sprinkle the perfect amount on each one. Just do your best. And then I like that when I stack them, that some of the cinnamon drops down, so you're not wasting it. Once I found out how healthy cinnamon is for you, I put it on these apple chips every time. So you can see, time to place the trays in the Excalibur food dehydrator. Set it to 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. It is time to turn down the heat to 118 degrees Fahrenheit and to turn all of the fruit. Just the way I like it. Not too crispy. Definitely chewy, but not too juicy. It's perfect. You can enjoy dehydrated fruit in granola, or if you're going hiking, you can take it with you as a snack. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I hope you have a really great day.